Good morning, good morning. Look.
She was real nice.
Good morning.
Good morning. She's eating her cereal. Say good morning, honey.
Good morning, guys.
What are we doing today? Other than moving still.
That's it. Doing laundry.
Who's doing laundry?
Got laundry.
You. Still got to put her food away.
They probably wondering why I'm walking around in a coat.
She's very cold. She's a very cold person.
I had to go to the office and tell them some stuff that's going on in this apartment that they gotta stay in. That's why I got a coat on. But I am a very cold person. But I just turn the heat up.
And at nighttime, she just takes the cover from me. I get no cover. I sleep balled up in the corner of the bed, sharing it with her and the dog. See what she does when I'm trying to talk to her, guys.
I'm waiting for my phone to
Hey,
update.
hey, don't be snippy.
You better get something.
Don't be snippy. Hey, Demon. Hey, are you ready to go night-night?
No.
Why?
I think so.
What?
I think so.
Because you said so. Well, whose boss are you? You, Mick you's not my boss.
I did my boss.
And Demo's boss? And who else is boss?
Mommy boss. And Mimi boss.
Not my boss.
And Mimi
No,
boss.
you're not.
And Mommy boss. No.
Oh, remember I said we weren't going to get no snow? Look at this. Guess I need some boots on. We stuck in the house all day. Look at my baby, look. Look at my baby. She's sitting pretty, but she's snowed in, that's for sure.
Is we driving today?
Heck no, I'm not. Out here in the snow. Look, see my dog? Look, but he wanted to come out here. Here, guys. Go ahead. I guess we got to make it snow for him to stay in the house. So, you just saw all that snow on the ground? And guess what dummy falls in it? Me, of course. I hate the snow, I fell, and I'm mad.
Throw it. Throw it, Demo.
You better not.
Throw it, Demo.
You are going to get a beating. Go ahead, suit yourself.
Give it here.
You better not. Diva, what's that? What is that? What you in?
No, you get up.
Gandhi.
And look at this
Come
boy.
on.
Just look at him.
Come on.
Just look at him.
Here, it's my Christmas present that you paid for. Okay, well. You got this one? Alright, now fall.
Right.
Fall over!
Oh, get out the way. Hold on.
Turn!
It's gonna be fun.
Faster!
Faster!
They're trying to kill the black guy!
Oh shit, bro.
We used to set him up the bathtub and slide down there
Oh, shut the fuck
With the hose that he stuck up his butt. Courtney.
Remember when it had the Pooh Bear? It had a Pooh Bear on it.
Why y'all coming?
Fuck.
He tells everything else of ours. Why not?
Oh man.
All he told was that you was pregnant.
Oh, no. He tells everything.
No, he don't.
Anything. You tell a phone, you tell a Betty, you tell a of the world.
My poor life. My poor life. I don't know what the fuck.
That is funny.
I I just got closer to the family,
sorry,
but now
Chuck,
I can't even look at Chuck.
I don't
in the eye.
even
just
believe
can't do
that
it.
about y'all style.
Go smell that hoodie.
I don't know. Come here, let me smell your breath, cause it's.
We're finally back in the house. And in the nice and warm. I guess it don't look like it because I still got my hat and stuff on, but I'm gonna strip soon. It's been one day with all this snow and the kids is wore out. And we are too, so we're going to take it down for the night. We'll see you guys tomorrow.